Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll try to get all the events. This is the first event, the shop train. Well, let's wait for the second event. Let's just buy items in this shop. I want to see my points. That's me. Okay, let's go. It seems like everything is new here. Different from when I reviewed this game a few months ago. Alright, the second even is raining tacos. I love this song. Okay, here is a list of all the events. We just got to Did you notice the colors of the boats are different? That boat was red, wasn't it?
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese.
All right, let's go.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Let's wait for the third event.
A few moments later.
Okay, the third event is UFOs. The UFOs can lift me. I will try to climb to the roof using the UFOs. Nice. There are 3 UFOs. I walk to the locomotive. Looks like this one is new. Yep, I don't remember there being a coal car here. The interior of the locomotive is also new. But it's very complicated to put in the coal now. Alright, let's get out of here. My points are not enough to buy these items. Alright, let's wait for the fourth event.
A few moments later.
Boss train. Sounds challenging. I'll keep my things just in case. Looks like it's the boss train. We must destroy it ASAP. Nice. Alright, I will try to explore this train since there is an update. I'll relax for a moment here. Well, let's go. Cool, meteors. What if I get hit by the meteors? What kind of meteors is this? Alright guys, looks like that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe if you want me to continue this in part 2.